Introducing the 2021 Peugeot 5008 FL Allure 1.2 130 6.3 4-door in sleek black. This MPV boasts a 1.2 litre petrol engine, manual transmission, and a host of premium features for your comfort and convenience. From air conditioning to cruise control, electric folding mirrors to USB outlets, this car has it all. With ABS, parking assistance, and multiple airbags, safety is a top priority. And with luxurious styling elements like roof rails and tinted windows, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with comprehensive warranty coverage. Ready to experience the luxury and performance of this Peugeot 5008? Call us or visit windsor.ie for more information today.